Imagine earning money all while sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret to making $10,000 a month through blogging and affiliate marketing. Don't miss out, this could change your life forever. The first step to writing a compelling blog post is understanding your audience. Think about who they are, what they enjoy, and what kind of problems they are looking to solve. For example, if your audience loves technology, they might appreciate detailed reviews of the latest gadgets or tutorials on how to use new software effectively. When it comes to product reviews, honesty is your best policy. Share your genuine thoughts and personal experiences with the product. Highlight its benefits and any potential drawbacks. This builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. Next, let's talk about tutorials. Tutorials should be easy to follow and practical. Use step-by-step instructions complemented by screenshots or video clips to enhance understanding. Always include real-life applications to show how the advice can be directly beneficial to the reader. Listicles are another great way to incorporate affiliate links. They are easy to read and can cover a wide range of topics, such as top 10 kitchen gadgets or 5 must-have travel accessories. Each item on your list can include a brief description, user reviews, and of course, an affiliate link. Incorporating affiliate links naturally is crucial. Instead of overwhelming your readers with links, place them where they make the most sense and where they provide the most value. Make sure they feel like a genuine recommendation rather than a sales pitch. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to creating engaging content for your blog? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. All right, let's dive straight into the heart of effective promotion strategies for your content. First up, let's talk about social media. With millions of daily active users, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer an unparalleled opportunity to reach a broad audience. The key here is consistency. Post regularly and engage with your followers through comments and direct messages. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to grab attention. Hashtags are your best friend. They help new users discover your content. Consider collaborations with influencers in your niche to expand your reach even further. Next, email marketing is another powerful tool to keep your audience engaged. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your most dedicated followers. Offer valuable content in your newsletters, like exclusive tips, behind-the-scenes insights, or special promotions. Personalize your emails by segmenting your audience based on their interests and behaviors. This ensures that each recipient gets content tailored to their preferences, increasing open and click-through rates. Now let's look at search engine optimization, SEO. By optimizing your blog posts for search engines, you make it easier for potential readers to find your content. Start with keyword research to understand what your audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally throughout your posts, especially in titles, headers, and meta descriptions. Focus on producing high-quality, informative content that answers your audience's questions and solves their problems. Don't forget about backlinks from reputable sites, as they can significantly boost your search rankings. Combining these strategies ensures that your content gets the visibility it deserves. Which promotion strategy are you most excited to try out next? Engaging with your readers is one of the most critical aspects of building a loyal and interactive audience. Reading and responding to comments on your blog posts shows your audience that you appreciate their input and encourages more communication. People love to feel heard, and when you reply to their comments, it fosters a sense of community. Social media platforms offer another excellent avenue for interaction. Post regularly and engage with followers by liking and commenting on their posts, sharing relevant content, and responding to their messages and mentions. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to grab attention. Hashtags are your best friend. They help new users discover your content. Consider collaborations with influencers in your niche to expand your reach even further. As mentioned before, email marketing is another powerful tool to keep your audience engaged. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your most dedicated followers. Offer valuable content in your newsletters, like exclusive tips, behind-the-scenes insights, or special promotions. Personalize your emails by segmenting your audience based on their interests and behaviors. This ensures that each recipient gets content that's more specific to their preferences, which in turn can increase open and click-through rates. So, how do you plan on engaging with your audience and turning them into a community? Let me know in the comments below.